Hello everyone, welcome back. A day without laughter is a day wasted. Life can be wonderful if you are not afraid of it. This is what Charlie Chaplin speaks about life. So enjoy every moment of your life. Let us continue My Mother by Charlie Chaplin. In the first unit, we have discussed about Chaplin's parents and his mother's struggle for livelihood. The second unit speaks about Chaplin's first debut on the stage at the tender age of 5. He was only 5 years old. Chaplin's mother's voice deteriorated and she could hardly be a professional singer because she could not sing because of her disease. That was laryngitis. The family was having a tough time because her mother was the only person to earn income, and her income was based on her singing, and her singing stopped because of her disease. His mother used to come to the theater at night, and Charlie assisted her, as leaving him alone in the house was not safe. The theater where she worked was named the Canteen, where drunk rowdy soldiers used to come. It was situated in Aldershot. Aldershot was a town in south central England. For a lady artist, it was certainly not right place, but his mother had to work here to make some money to feed her children. Things became worse when her voice cracked into whisper. Once, when she was singing in the canteen, her voice slowed down, and the audience insulted her by passing bad comments, and thus she went off the stage. The manager had seen little Charlie performing in front of his mother's friend, and to save the show, he brought the 5-year-old little Charlie to the stage and explained to the audience that he will replace his mother. Charlie looked at the audience, and everybody were amused, surprised to see Charlie performing. He began to sing Jack Jones, a famous song which his mother used to sing. The orchestra took a moment to catch up, but it was all okay. The rude soldiers in the audience appreciated him, and instead of booing, passing comments, threw coins. Young little Charlie was so happy and told the audience that he was stopping for a while and to collect the coins. This was Charlie's first debut on the stage. It was a watershed moment in Charlie's life. His career on the stage started and Chaplin's mother's career ended. Look at the book. Unit 2. Read the following unit of the text and note how Chaplin made his first appearance on the stage. Means here in this unit you will see that how Charlie Chaplin has made his first debut on the stage. It was owing to her vocal condition. Owing means because of or due to. It was due to her Charlie Chaplin's mother. Vocal condition, that is power of voice means her voice was deteriorating. Vocal condition that at the age of 5 I made my first appearance on the stage. It was because of the deterioration of the vocal condition of Chaplin's mother. At the age of 5, Chaplin made his first debut on the stage. Mother usually brought me to the theater at night, and you all know that his mother sang in the theater at night, and that's why she brought Charlie Chaplin with her, because it was not safe for Chaplin to stay at home alone in the night. So his mother brought him to the theater at night in preference to leaving me alone in rented rooms. She was playing in the canteen. Once she was playing in a theater called the Canteen at Aldershot. Aldershot is a town in south central England. At the time, a grubby, look at this word. Grubby means dirty. Mean means here, mean refers to look or design. A grubby, mean theater catering. What is catering? Catering means to provide food and service for. Catering mostly to soldiers. And these soldiers, you know, they were very rowdy. They were very rude soldiers who were often drunk. They were a rowdy. Rowdy, what is the meaning of rowdy? Rowdy means, refers to a tough person or harsh in behavior. Those persons who are very harsh in behavior. Rowdy lot and wanted little excuse to deride and ridicule. Deride means to treat with scorn or anger. Excuse, to deride, and ridicule. Ridicule means to make fun of. The performance, Aldershot was a week of terror. It was a week of terror because no one want to perform in Aldershot, because it was a place where no artist wanted to go there because of those rowdy soldiers, those soldiers who leave no opportunity to insult. They were very rude. But Charlie Chaplin's mother went there only because she wanted to earn some money for her livelihood, to take care of her children. I remember standing in the wings. Wings refers to the side part of the stage. I, Charlie Chaplin, remember standing in the wings when mother's voice cracked. Cracked means broke down and went into a whisper. He is stating us that once, while his mother was performing on the stage, her voice broke down, suddenly went into whisper, suddenly slowed down, and the audience, the rowdy soldiers, began to laugh and sing falsetto. What is falsetto? It is a false, artificial, loud voice, or you can say artificial voice, to tease somebody. They sang falsetto and to make catcalls. Catcalls means artificial loud cry to show disapproval. So they teased her. They passed comments and teased her. It was all vague. It was all clear. And I did not quite understand. And Chaplin was quite small enough and he could not understand what was going on. But the noise of the rowdy soldiers who disapproved Chaplin's mother's voice increased until mother was obliged. Obliged means bound to do something. Charlie Chaplin's mother was obliged to walk off the stage. So he walked off the stage because he could not bear the insult made by the rowdy soldiers. When she came into the wings, the side part of the stage where Chaplin was there standing, she was very upset. She was very upset because of her insult and argued with the stage manager. The stage manager argued with his mother, Chaplin's mother, who, having seen me perform before mother's friend said something about me letting me go on in her place. The manager had seen little Charlie Chaplin performing in front of his mother's friend. So, to save the show, he brought the 5-year-old Charlie Chaplin to the stage. And in the turmoil, look at this word, turmoil. Turmoil means a state of confusion. So in this confused state, Chaplin remembered him, the stage manager. Him refers to stage manager leading me, taking him by the hand, and after a few explanatory words to the audience, explaining about Charlie Chaplin to the audience, rowdy soldiers, leaving me on the stage alone. So at the age of 5 years, Chaplin went on the stage and he performed alone on the stage in place of his mother. And before a glare of footlights, a ray of lights along the front stage at the theater, and faces in the smoke in front of the audience who was smoking, I started to sing. Chaplin started to sing, accompanied with the companion by the orchestra. And the orchestra, this means that the orchestra took a moment to catch up. Look at these sentences. I started to sing accompanied by the orchestra which played about until it found my key. This means that the orchestra took a moment to catch up Chaplin. And it was well known. It was a well-known song called Jack Jones, and Chaplin sang a well-known song, Irish song called Jack Jones, and it was his first debut on the stage, and he sang very beautifully, or you can say wonderfully, and the audience appreciated him. Halfway through, a shower of money poured onto the stage. Charlie Chaplin was singing, and it was such a nice performance that a shower of money means money poured onto the stage. The audience threw money onto the stage, appreciating Charlie's performance. Charlie Chaplin was so innocent that immediately he stopped singing. He stopped and he announced and told to the audience that I would pick up the money first, that he will pick up the money first and sing afterwards. He was very happy to see the shower of money, and he started collecting it. And at this moment, you know what happened? This caused much laughter. The audience appreciated and they laughed at Charlie Chaplin activities. The stage manager came on with a handkerchief and helped me to gather it up. The stage manager came on to the stage with a handkerchief and helped Chaplin to collect the money. Chaplin thought that he was going to keep it. Chaplin thought that the stage manager was going to keep all the money, and he was very upset. This thought was conveyed to the audience, and this thought was told to the audience and increased their laughter, and the audience laughed at this behavior. Especially when he walked off with it refers to that money which the stage manager was holding. With me anxiously following him, and eagerly, Chaplin thought that the stage manager is taking all his money, and thus he followed him off the stage. Not until he handed it to mother, and until he handed that money filled with money filled in handkerchief to the to mother, to Chaplin's mother, he returned and continued to sing, and then he returned to the stage and started singing. I was quite at home. Look at this sentence. I was quite at home. This means that he was feeling homely, or he was very comfortable. He was enjoying and singing. I talked to the audience. He talked to the audience, danced, and did several imitations, including one of mother singing her Irish march song that went as follows. Look, he enjoyed in the stage, he danced, he talked with the audience, and did several imitations, including one of mother singing her Irish march song. Means he imitated, little Charlie Chaplin imitated his mother's singing her Irish march song. Mother sang the Irish march song. Irish march song, the song which is performed in front of soldiers. Irish march song that went as follows. Look at this song. Really, really, that's the boy to beguile he. Really, really, that the boy's for me. In all the army, great and small, there is none so trim and neat as the noble Sergeant Riley of the gallant 88.